Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. By my bedstand, I always keep a serger, and I was just tired of having all of the clutter and not having enough room for all of my cords at night. So I'm really loving this one from YISHU. It has everything that I need. There are 8 outlets, and it also has spaces for the USB and USB spots. The cord is 6 feet long. I don't have a wall outlet right by where I sleep, so this one fits right around the back of my nightstand, and I just love that it's like very compact and a nice cube size. It's perfect for all of the cords that I need, and I love using the USB and USB features. It turns on and off with the switch with no problem, and I can even mount it to the wall if I need to. So a great little find from YISHU, and that is my point of view.